Hi, alright, so last time we were here, I redid the outside steps on the other side. And now I took down a piece of sheetrock, tried to do it without breaking it, but it was old sheetrock, I cracked it. So I have to replace that anyway, but to be honest, the steps look pretty good from behind. And it looks like someone tried to put some supports in to prevent some creaking as you go up, but the stairs are pretty loud. So I'm going to try to put in new supports and shims. Also, I'm going to put a sealant, like a liquid nail kind of a thing that they recommend to run in the cracks, and that should seal us up and make it quiet for a quieter stair. And then next trip I'll come back and I may not re-sheetrock. I may run boards across it, make it look more woody, cabiny, or put a piece of plywood and paint it or something. I'm not entirely sure just yet what I'm going to do, but we're going to do something to quiet these stairs down. They're very, very loud. So I sealed the stairs with like a liquid nail, which gets hard really quick, and that seals all the cracks and everything. And now I'm going to reinforce the steps in the middle. It looks like they put this, whatever this little like shim wood is that's just tacked in. I'm going to replace that with some 2x4s that are cut at like 15 degrees. And then I have the 15-degree piece that makes the solid piece, which now becomes the 2x4 shim. So what I'm going to do is I preset all the screws and put some wood glue on the back here, put it tight up against the step. So like up against the step, tight, and now it leaves that space for me to hammer in the shim, make it even further tight, which I'll seal up with wood glue. And because of the angle coming together and tapping in with my mallet and the wood glue, that step should not flex now, making it really quiet, reinforcing it really well. The power of YouTube, because I did not come up with this myself, but I figured I'd share this if someone sees this on my video, because it seemed like pretty easy. And you make two little blocks, and you put them on each side. We're going to do one here, and then we'll do one off to here with the shim tapped in, and that'll do each step, and then I'll go up and do each step. I'm going to start kind of with this first one here that has the biggest gap. This is my biggest shim. My wood glue ready. Nice piece of wood glue. Put it on the top here. Screw this in. Like I said, I'm starting here. This one has the biggest gap, so I wanted to make sure I address this first. And that honestly is because I don't know if I have enough 2x4 things that I made. So there you go. And I got some wood glue on there. Now I'm going to take my shim. Wood glue. On the top, a nice bead. On the bottom, a nice bead. I'm gonna slide it into space. And ever so gently, I'm gonna tap it in until it's nice and snug. Which that looking like it is. And now that step should not move. It should not flex at all.